beauties, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome to hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video.
So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wind your waistline for me.
So for today's video, I'm coming to you guys with another haul video. I got some more makeup, like
going with the wind side.
I needed some new makeup, you guys. That's why I need to try some new makeup. The makeup that I have, some I threw them away because they were expired. So I was like, it's time to get some new makeup. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got from 4 stores, which are Target, Walgreens, Ulta, and Marshall. You guys already know that I love to shop from Marshall. I don't want you guys to see my address, okay? But I have everything on this box right here. Let's get started by showing you guys. So I'm first gonna show you guys what I got from Target. At Target, I got some few products. The first thing that I got from Target is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I got the shade 10, that is 425, and this is a neutral golden undertone. I have a neutral undertone, a little bit warm, but more neutral than warm. I heard so many good things about this, that it works amazing and it gives you a really nice coverage. We should see when I try it. If you guys would like to see a first impression, which I think y'all don't because it's been out for a long time, let me know. I as well got 2 other foundations. They are the NYX Professional Born to Glow Natural Radiant Foundation. One is in caramel and the other one is in warm caramel. I got 2 because I don't know which one was my shade. That's why I got both. Then I also got another Wet n Wild sponge. I just bought another one because I ordered it online and they say that for it to be shipped to me, I had to spend $35. But I'm so glad that I did purchase it because I love this sponge. I used the Wet n Wild sponge on this makeup. It blended that foundation and that concealer real nicely. I'm really impressed with this sponge. And it had it like 4.5 stars. The other stuff that I got at Target is the NYX concealer. These are called the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. One is in caramel and the other one is in mahogany. Mahogany will be perfectly to hide the redness or any imperfection that I have that I want to hide. And then caramel, it will be good to highlight. And lastly, at Target, I got me another of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, the dewy foundation. But this time I got the shade Cocoa. The one that I already have is the shade Toffee, but that one is too light for me. So the next store that I went to is Ulta. I just went there to exchange a product that I already have, and I ended up with a lot more. I purchased the e.l.f. Jelly Pop 2 Primer. The next thing that I got, Morphe Fall Show Sunless Tanning Face and Body Drop. I don't know what was going through my mind that I got this. I didn't read that this was tanning product. I thought it was a primer oil, and I was like, I'm gonna grab it, and I just gave it to the cashier without reading it. I'm definitely gonna return this. I know for sure I'm not gonna use that. And I'm gonna pick the Morphe brush in M439, the foundation brush. And then I got another Morphe product. This is a foundation. This is the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. I got it in the shade number 27. And when I purchased this came with the foundation brush for free. And this is how the foundation brush looks like. So this is the foundation brush that it came with. When you purchase this product, the foundation brush is free. And lastly, for Ulta, I got these 2 liquid lipstick from Essence Beauty. These are called Stay 8 Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick. I got 2 shades. One is in the shade Hello Sunrise, that is 01. I will do the swatch for you guys. And then the other one is called Duck Face, that is 02. Before I show you guys what I got from Marshall, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got from Walgreens. From Walgreens, I purchased the Wet n Wild 10-piece Pro Line brush set. I really don't need no more brushes. I have a lot of brushes, and it was for $14.99. So this is how it looks like. I love that it comes with this case. Like, ooh, this will be an amazing case to travel when I go out of town. I can put all of my makeup in here. I can put my brushes on top, and then I can put like some makeup at the bottom. The next thing that I also got at Walgreens is this Revlon Precision Lash Curler. I've really been wanting one of these curlers, the small one for my false lashes, to blend my false lashes with my real lashes and curl your false lashes with this as well. I already have one, but this one is the bigger size, that is from Kiss. It works amazing amazing as well, but I really wanted it a small one. I'm gonna use it right now. I'm gonna see if it works. I can't believe I found this color. Oh yeah, baby. Hi. And I love that it's more easier to blend it with my real lashes. Look at my eyes. Look how it curls those lashes and how it blended it with my real lashes. And lastly, for Walgreens, I got more foundation. These are the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I got one in the shade Caramel and the other one in the shade Warm Caramel. I don't know which one is gonna match my skin color, so that's why I purchased two. Maybe one is gonna work for the winter and the other one is gonna be working for the summer. And now I'm gonna be moving on to my final store that I went to, that is Marshall. So the first thing that I got at Marshall is this Anastasia loose highlighter. It comes with 3 highlighters, but the pink one, I already had the pink one, so I gave the pink one to my sister and I kept the other 2 colors. This highlighter is just amazing. This one, I'm kind of scared to use the silver one because it looks too bright for my skin tone, like for my skin color. I can use it for something else. I got this for $11.99. And then I saw this lashes. They are called the Color 3D False Mink lashes in push, and this is the type of lashes that I like, that makes my eyes pop a lot more. They look wispy, dramatic, but not so dramatic. The perfect size. I got this one for $8. They kind of look like these lashes that I have on right now, but just a little bit more wispier. The next thing that I got is another palette from TatyBeauty, and this is from the Duo collection. This time I got the palette called Made Mostly, and I got it for $9, $8.99. But look at this color and the glitter colors on the bottom. Oh, they feel really glittery and so pigmented. Oh yes, it has a lot of glitter, you guys. And then I got this tinted moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. This is the Bobbi Brown New Finish Tinted Moisturizer. I got it in the shade medium to dark. This is how it looks like, and it's new. Nobody has opened it because it still has the seal on it. I'm really not so impressed with the packaging because I cannot see the colors on the inside, so hopefully this shade is the best shade for me and it's not too light or not too dark. The next Marshall item that I got is this mascara. I did open this product because I was putting them away, but then I forgot that, hey, I had to film, I had to do a makeup haul video, so I put everything back inside. These are the L'Oreal Volumize Lash Paradise. I got this one for $5. And then I saw that they had it, the Marc Jacobs Dewdrop Coconut Gel Highlighter. I've been searching for this product every Marshall, every TJ Maxx, and I never could have found it, and I'm so excited that I finally have it in my hands. The next product is a concealer. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, and this time I got it in the shade Honey. I'm saying this time because I already have a Becca concealer just like this one, but that one is in golden. That one's retail for $6.99, $7. And then the rest is more foundation. I couldn't pass about this foundation. I couldn't pass it. I really couldn't pass this foundation. The foundation that I got from Marshall is the Matte Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation in NC46. This one was the shade that was there in the NW35, and hopefully it is my shade. And lastly, for Marshall, I got these 2 foundations. These are called the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I got the shade Amber and Cafe because I didn't know which shade I was, so I picked these 2. These were the 2 darkest ones that they had it, and these retail for $10.99, $11. So affordable that I couldn't pass this deal. Oh, and the matte was for $14.99. Let me know which makeup you guys would like to see a first impression on. Thank you so much for staying this long to the end. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like. Subscribe to my channel to be part of the squad, and make sure to click that notification bell so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. Follow me at Instagram, and until my next one, I will talk to you guys in my next video.
All yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want it.